How to unlock a seatbelt retractor on a Jeep. If you have a Jeep with a seatbelt retractor that is not working, there are a few things you can try to unlock it. First, check the fuse box under the hood to see if the fuse for the seatbelts is blown. If it is, replace it with a new fuse and see if that unlocks the retractor. If not, there may be something blocking the retractor from engaging, such as a piece of clothing or debris. Clear away anything that might be blocking it and try again. If the seatbelt still will not retract, take your Jeep to a mechanic to have them take a look at it. Lift up on the red tab at the base of the seatbelt to release it from the locked position. Pull the seatbelt out of the retractor housing. Press the black button on the side of the retractor housing to unlock the seatbelt webbing. Pull the seatbelt webbing out of the retractor housing and then insert it back into the housing in reverse order, making sure that it locks into place when you hear a click.